Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the current state of the US economy in February 2025. Buckle up, because it's a bit of a roller coaster ride. First off, let's talk about the big picture. The US economy is facing some turbulence right now, mainly due to aggressive trade policies. But here's the kicker. Public optimism is at an all-time high. A whopping 60% of Americans believe the economy is going to get better. That's the highest it's been since 2018. Now, for some numbers, GDP growth is sitting at a solid 3.2%, unemployment is low at 3.5%, and inflation is fairly tame at 2.1%. Not too shabby, right? The S&P 500 has also seen a 15% rise over the past year, and consumer confidence is through the roof at a 10-year high of 135. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The US has slapped new tariffs, 25% on Canadian imports, and 10% on Chinese goods. This has caused some chaos in the markets, with the Dow dropping nearly 600 points initially before recovering slightly. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq also took hits. These tariffs are expected to increase the average U.S. household tax burden by $830 this year. Plus, U.S. companies are looking at an extra $700 million in daily taxes. Ouch! The government is also making some big moves. The Trump administration has been all about tax cuts, deregulation, and infrastructure spending. They're aiming to cut $4 billion in daily government spending, which will impact contracts and humanitarian programs. Overseas aid, completely cut. Howard Lutnick, Trump's Commerce Secretary nominee, believes these tariffs will boost domestic production and make the U.S. more self-reliant. But not everyone is convinced. Globally, there's been a lot of tension. Canada faced some severe tariff threats, and Trump even suggested Canada become the 51st U.S. state to avoid them. A late-night chat between Trump and Trudeau provided some temporary relief. Meanwhile, the UK and EU are also bracing for potential U.S. tariff threats. The long-term outlook? It's a mixed bag. Some folks think the tariffs will be short-lived and eventually benefit domestic production. Others are worried about the growing national debt, which has now exceeded $30 trillion, and the ongoing trade tensions. Economists predict continued growth but warn that external factors and geopolitical events could shake things up. So there you have it. The U.S. economy is navigating some choppy waters, but there's a lot of optimism and potential for growth. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, knowledge is power. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.